We had fun in the first 2 days. We didn't expect Batanes to be so different from other provinces. Batanes was unique. Everything was so simple. I remembered walking outside at night and we felt safe. The people could be trusted, yet not all of them were locals. Many came from other provinces too. The fact that they are living on a tiny island, barely visible on a map, makes their lives so simple. Instead of being surrounded by technology, they are surrounded by water, by land, by nature, by people. So, during our trip, we cherished the moment and we made it unforgettable.
Hindi, okay lang. Pipicturean kita.
Mama, tulong!
Okay lang yan.
Ano ko yung kambing? Make it hard, ah.
Pipicture. Pipicture ako kayo.
The last 2 days are the best part in most trips. It's because you know that you got no time to waste and there's still so much to explore. I thought that we could explore everything here, since Batanes is so small. But what happened is that we enjoyed every location, every destination. We were mesmerized, not knowing we're running out of time.
We ran into the corners of
Batanes was amazing. Batanes is unforgettable. If you'll ever visit this place, remember to take only memories and leave only footprints. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, and if you like to see some more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that notification bell icon below near my name. Yeah. If you like to see some teasers or behind the scenes, make sure to follow my Instagram account right here and just click the notification bell icon below.